Who? Me? Stop.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. I know it's been hella long since you guys have seen me. Honestly, I just been looking really dusty, crusty, all of that. Like, I just been looking really bad. But however, today is my roommate's birthday, so we about to go and have a picnic. So I'm like, let me actually get my life together, and I figure I record it with you guys. So a little get ready with me, so stay tuned. We gotta do something about these eyebrows because this is really a joke. Like, this is I just can't. Like, ooh. The moment that the eyebrows grow out, like for me, for my life, I look disgusting. Like, nothing else could really save it after that. Like, so right now I'm like extremely desperate, so I'm using this razor to kind of clean it up. All right, so I don't think there's any saving the eyebrows right now. I'm gonna just have to put makeup on it because I'm gonna just have to put some makeup on it because this is like a whole mission. Okay, I'm using this MAC Prep and Primer. So basically, like I said, today is my friend Kiara's birthday, who I happen to live with and spend all my time with. So we are gonna go and have a picnic. She's gonna go grab like a seafood kind of boil from her family later on, but for now we just gonna go have a picnic and a photo shoot. This is gonna be the first time that I'm using the camera that I had got from Muggsy. So this should be exciting. I'm gonna definitely insert pictures of like what we came up with afterwards so you guys can see. I don't know how people do makeup videos and talk at the same time. This shit hard as hell. All right, you guys, so basically I'm doing a like a kind of remodel of my apartment, or I don't even know if it's like considered a remodel, because basically since I moved into this apartment in November, I never really decorated it. Like, I have things, as you can see, like in my room, but it's just not where I want it to be. Like, I'm very extra when it comes to interior design. So there's so many things that I want to get. So next week, so I ordered a bunch of things last week and they should all be here by next week. So next week I'm going to be doing a whole lot of YouTube videos. I'm literally repainting my bathroom, adding a whole bunch of art in my bathroom. I'm changing the countertop to marble, everything. I'm retiling the floors in my bedroom. I'm building a canopy in my bedroom. Coffee table, new rug, all of that stuff in my living room. I'm doing an accent wall in my hallway. Like, I'm really about to go in. So stay tuned for that. I feel like that's gonna be some really fun content. So if you guys are into like any kind of interior design and like just decorating your space, then y'all are gonna enjoy it. So stay tuned for all of those videos next week and the week after. Y'all already know that I don't really wear makeup like that, only on occasion. And when I do wear makeup, it always looks the same, cause I ain't got time to be experimenting. Like, I'm applying my Fenty Beauty, what is it called? Pro Filter? Yep, my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrate and Longwear Foundation in the color 420, as usual. I really need to get some new skincare products. I normally use Kiehl's, but I want to try something new because I don't know, my skin is like in shambles right now and I hate it. I just feel like it'd be so hard to watch YouTube skincare routine videos and like take recommendations because everybody's skin is so different. Like, you never really know what's gonna work for your skin. So I'll be cautious because I have sensitive skin. I really like Kehlani's album right now. If you listen to Kehlani, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you team Kehlani or nah. But I really love it. I really love her growth and watching her evolution from her starting off as like this little young girl from the Bay, and now she's a grown-ass woman, a whole mom, and she don't have time to be taking shit. Like, I don't know if you guys saw the interview with her in Breakfast Club. Kehlani was talking about how YG was cheating on her, and Charlamagne was like, "Oh, Kehlani, you can't take a little cheating." I'm gonna insert the clip for y'all to see.
So he was cheating on you.
Yeah.
You can't forgive a little cheating, Kehlani? Just a little bit?
No, I think you get to a certain point where if you set certain boundaries for your relationship, then that's the boundaries that you guys should hold yourselves to.
But I was just like, yo, he is ridiculous. Like, he is really just like, I know he's trying to do stuff, you know, for the viewers and all that stuff to create conversation around Breakfast Club, but it's just not cute. Like, this is her actual life. You're being mad, annoying, and then you're kind of just like encouraging people to think that cheating is a normal part of relationships, and I don't feel like cheating is a normal part of relationships. Like, nobody can't convince me that. Like, there's no way that you're gonna tell me that it's okay for people to be in a relationship cheating here and there, and you should just forgive them because it's a part of the relationship. Like, nah, no, nobody's not telling me that. I'm not trying to hear that. Like, you're bugging. And for you to say that to the public, like, what kind of message are you trying to put out to the black community? We supposed to be promoting positivity and all of us moving in the right direction. You talking about you can't take a little cheating? Like, he's so corny sometimes. And I really like the way that Kehlani handled it. Like, she was just like, child, listen, if that was the boundaries that we set in a relationship for us to be basically in an open relationship, and for you to be cheating or for you to be, you know, engaging with other people, then that would be okay. But that's not the structure that the relationship was built on. We're supposed to be in a monogamous relationship. So that's that. And she's like, at the end of the day, at this point in my life, I have a kid. Like, I don't have time to be fooling around, just taking niggas back, basically. So, yeah, that was that. I feel like dating in this generation, in this day and age, it's like pulling teeth. I feel like everybody has super high expectations based on what they see on social media, which is crazy because we all should be aware that social media is only what you see for that moment in time. So you can't like have super high expectations about what you want from a person based on what you've seen other people on social media do. You gotta focus on finding the right person to be with, the right person that's for you, and then developing your own style of relationship. Because every relationship is gonna be different, and that's on what? Okay. Every relationship is different. All right, I feel like I put too much makeup on, and it's hot as hell outside. I'm gonna be sweating like a dummy. I'm not feeling it. It's giving me cakey. Like, see, the makeup even went in my hair. You can't even see it on this camera. So I haven't gotten the opportunity to start filming on my new camera yet, just because when I do start filming on the new camera, I want for the lighting setup to be like elite. Like, if I'm gonna use this super nice professional camera, then I need everything to be lit. So at this point, I'm basically waiting for my lighting equipment to arrive and my new tripod, and then I can start creating content at that high level that I've been wanting to. Because right now I've been filming on my I don't know if you guys know, but I've been filming on my iPhone 11 Pro, and I mean it gets the job done clearly, but I have super high taste level. And yeah, it was kind of difficult for me to even like start off by filming on my iPhone. It took me a long time to convince myself to do that, because I'm like, damn, the quality is just not gonna be there. But at the end of the day, it's more so about the content. So I was just like, I'm gonna just bite the bullet until, you know, I'm in the position to get all the lighting equipment, the camera, the lens, the tripod, and everything that I need to give you guys high quality content. So now that I'm in that position, that's what I'm about to do. It is about to be popping. It's about to be popping. So stay tuned for that. Yo, when we finally go back outside, I'm getting the lashes that are 19 inches. They're gonna be, I'm getting the nails, you know, like the Ari Fletcher, like the Real Kyle's sister, her kind of nails. I'm getting all of that. I'm getting microblade brows. I'm getting a head to toe wax. I'm waxing my lip, everything. Like, my nails are gonna have chrome, bedazzle, ombre, everything. Like, because we deserve, like, we in here suffering. Y'all, my freaking feet are so crusty. This is like, oh my God. When I'm sleeping at night and I feel my feet, I'm like, yo, which nigga is this in my bed? Bitch, it's me. If any of y'all been doing any DIY pedicure, let me know like which direction I should go in, what I should cop, because I don't know. I don't exactly know right now. But I need it all. I really want to get the new Fenty, I don't even know if it's new, but the brown Fenty gloss. All right, you guys, so basically this is the makeup look. It's super duper simple. So what I'm about to do now is my hair. So I think I'm just gonna do a low ponytail, because I was gonna add a braid, but it's already late in the day and we wanna get it popping. We wanna just do our thing. I'm thinking I could also just wear my hair out like this. It's just like hella dirty, so it like feels weird. Oh, and if you're wondering how my hair is like this, basically I took out the Pop Smoke braids that I had in, and this is just like what my hair looks like fresh out of that. All right, you guys, so I switched my hair a little bit. Like I basically just moved to the other side. By the time I go outside, my hair's gonna be up here, but it's a black girl. It comes with the territory, so I'm owning it today. This is what's happening. We going outside like this. And this is the final look. And that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you